Hey everybody, it's Mike from Monkey Fab. I'm gonna show you real quick how to order these like custom exhaust trim ring guys down here. So you can click on that if you want to do that, or you can go to the very top where it says exhaust trim rings. You just click on that and they are located right now. So you just click there and bam. So a few things you want to keep in mind when doing this. One is your orientation. So there's a couple different orientations available. I call it point up and curve up is the easiest way to think about it. But like your curve up would be orientated in, let's see, like this direction where this part is orientated with your text, okay? The other one would be the other way. So like you'd have the point up and point down. So you just basically rotate that thing. So don't pay attention to the text here, but this would be like your point up orientation. And the text would be centered on that. So that's probably the most common one. And that's what we're gonna default to. If you don't tell me the way you want it, it'll always just be curve up, which is just the point up and down in that orientation. So the other thing is just go ahead and pick your inner diameter. So the inner diameter here, we got from like, let's say 2 to I think 5.5. Yeah, so how you do that is, let's say my pipe is 4-inch, right? So what I want to do is probably just get a 5-inch. So the difference, the 5 to the 4 is 1 inch, and then you divide it by 2, and that gives you the actual spacing. And exhaust moves around. As it grows with heat and whatnot, it kind of has a tendency to move about. So I tend to think 1 inch bigger works out well for people. You can make that bigger. I don't think it looks bad or awkward. The actual ring itself, how the high points is about 1 inch right here, and it's about 3/4 of an inch. It kind of scales with the different sizes. So as you go smaller, it gets a little bit smaller, and as you get bigger, it gets bigger, so they can make it look to scale appropriately. But you can basically just add 1 inch. So if we got a 5-inch, then it'd be 5, 6, 7. So it'd be like a 7-inch total. And I push these holes out to the outside corners so as it makes it so you can even cut a bigger hole. Usually people mess those holes up. They need a little bit of coverage, and that works out well with this. So that's how you get your inner diameter. That's the outer diameter. There's the orientation. And then just type what you want. So if you wanted like the Funk Phoenix or whatever. I think I got it. I did misspell. I misspelled my own PHOE Nix, right? And if I put that, we're just gonna get the Funk Phoenix on the top and on the bottom. If it gets too long, then I'll just go around until it meets each other. I can fit most anything in there. I mean, I could probably do like a whole paragraph if you want, just no one will be able to read it. And then just put, like Funk Phoenix top, and maybe you want like your fast forward on the bottom or whatever you got going on. Just type that out so I know what you're talking about and can read it, because that's what prints off of these orders. And I'll just make it the appropriate inner diameter and do what you told me to do on there. So that's how you get these guys ordered up, and hopefully that video helps. Bye.